Hello guys, welcome back to our Olympic Technology channel. So today we are going to discuss important topics about digital products. Have you heard of digital products? Have you heard that people make so much money from digital products? Today we are going to discuss most popular digital products that you can sell and make money from the comfort of your home, provided you just invest a little of your time in these digital products. You are going to sell them and believe me, make a lot of money. Do you want to know the most popular digital product to sell on internet today? Write with me on this video. Let me discuss it with you today. Smart entrepreneurs now dive into digital products because there are so many advantages digital products have over physical products. Number one is automated, right? Once you create your digital product or once you identify your digital product, you don't have any other thing to do. You don't go on recreating it again. Once you've created it once, that's all. So automation, you have created it. The next thing is for you to be selling, right? That particular one product, you sell it as much as you can. You don't keep inventory of if the product is going to finish today or if it's going to finish tomorrow, because once created you can sell it till whenever you decide. You don't bother about shipping. How do you ship it? How do you move it from one place to another? How do you do delivery? You don't bother about those things when it comes to digital products. There are so many local business laws that you don't bother about. So now I'm going to start discussing about those products. What are the advantages of digital products over physical products? It's easier to create, it's easier to distribute, it's never out of stock, it's more sustainable, and it's usually more profitable. With just your computer or a mobile device, you can be able to create any of these digital products. So let's go straight to the point. Number one on our list is ebook. For example, if you decide to write a book and you now decide that you don't want to print it, you want it to be in electronic form. Ebooks means electronic books. That is book that is in a soft copy. That's what we call electronic book, ebook, right? You decide to write a book and you want to have it as an ebook. You don't want to go through the stress of going to the printer to go and print. You just want to have it as an ebook. What you have to do is go ahead, use Microsoft Word or whatever editor that you want to use, create your book, format it, arrange it, pass it through readers, people who are going to help you read to confirm all the grammatical errors and the rest. Once all this is done, what you have to do is to place this ebook either on your site, on Amazon, or on any popular marketplace where you know. And this particular ebook, because you're not printing it, it's less cost for you. It's less cost for you. And believe me, once you start doing adverts on that ebook, you don't even know. The good thing about it is that it's going to go wider. If you are selling a physical book, you are supposed to start at least around your locality, but you can sell this book from the comfort of your home to people who are in US, in California, people who are in Germany, people who are in France. Anybody wherever you are can be able to access this ebook and buy it. So it is like a gold mining opportunity. Don't sleep on it. The second one on our list is software. Are you a software engineer? Are you a programmer and you want to start making real money as an entrepreneur? Just choose a niche where you are seeing loophole. Are you thinking of, okay, we need I need to build an inventory app that I can manage through mobile device, or you can decide to just build a e-library, or you can decide to build public health. You can decide to build public health software, whatever software that you feel that okay, there's a loophole here. Just identify the loophole, develop the software, and put it online. That particular one software that you develop and put it online, you will continue to make money from it. You can even decide not to do it selling outrightly. You can decide to do it subscription based, right? You can decide to do it subscription based. That is, whoever wants to buy your inventory application pays instrumental fee and also keep paying subscription fee. And for any feature that you added on the software, they are going to pay for that feature to be added to theirs. So do you understand? It's an easy way, it's a better way than trying to go and start buying and selling, looking for physical product. This particular one, from the comfort of your home, you can design it Start marketing it online on Facebook, on Google, on Instagram, wherever you think you can market it, Amazon, put it and start marketing it. And for any purchase, you are going to get your money. And the good thing about it, like I told you, anybody from anywhere can purchase it. It's not like your locality. Once you put it online, somebody even who is in Netherlands, somebody who is in Portugal, anybody can buy it and pay you no matter where you are. The third one on my list is graphics, image, or digital arts. Are you very good with graphics? Do you like art and you draw? You draw nature, you draw events, you draw human beings, you draw people, popular people. So it's easier for you to draw them, put it online. You can make more money if you draw them, put it online, and start selling them as digital products than printing a physical image and keeping probably in your shop or sending it to places for them to buy. It's more difficult to sell physical art products than digital art products. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's very easy to sell any digital art product. The good thing about it is that you don't even know the people who are going to buy. But in physical products, you know exactly the people who are going to buy. If you don't know them, the people you don't know are just few. But you can be lucky, you have this art image, you put it online, more than 200 people are going to buy. And assuming you sold it for, let's say, $5 or $10, you can multiply this by 200, you will see what we are talking about. You will see what we are talking about. The next on our list is music and audio. Of course, you can see it that you don't even need all these managers, all the managers, marketers, and so many of them that people normally needed in the past for them to make music. You can make your music now and upload on Apple Store, upload on YouTube, upload wherever you wish to upload, and start selling them, right? You don't sell on YouTube actually, but you can get money through AdSense. So it's still like part of digital product. This is going to help you than printing all those music in a CD plate and walking it around. It's easier to put it on any of the platform and start selling. The next one on my list is photography. Do you like nature, that you go around taking very good quality photograph and trying to print them and sell? I would advise you to start editing them and uploading them on platforms where you can stock images, platform where you can sell your images. Start uploading them. You don't know who is going to buy, and let me tell you, these are products that are making people rich. These are products that are making people get papers. So I would advise you to start uploading them. Start uploading those your photographs. It is going to I don't mean your personal photograph, I mean the photograph you snap, mostly nature, events, art. Start uploading them. It's going to help you. You are going to make quite good number of money. Also, are you a very good video editor? Are you a very good creative videographer? Start make When you make your video, you now print it on a cassette or a CD and start selling. Now it's time for you to start uploading those videos on platforms where you can sell it. Platforms where you can sell it. This is like a digital product. You don't know who is going to watch and how many people who is going to buy. So start uploading those videos. Video is a very good digital product that people are buying these days. To the extent that even Facebook is monetizing video. So I advise you to check out videos. The next one I'm going to talk about are courses. If you are knowledgeable on something, on database, on marketing, on sales, on accounting, whatever you are knowledgeable in, please go and start making courses on those. Please go and start making courses. After making these courses, there are platforms where they sell courses. Please upload it there. Create very good table of content. Create a very good table of content for your video. Upload it there. It might even be there for 2 weeks. The next week, you don't know what's going to happen. Imagine if 3,000 people buys your courses. If 3,000 people buy your courses at probably $10, and 10 times 3,000, that is the amount you're expected to make. So I want to urge you, go and start creating those courses. The last one I want to talk about are documents. Do you have projects, stuffs that you have documents that are very important projects, CV? Do you have proposals? Do you have documents that are very important? You can sell it online. It's a digital product. You can sell it online. Just upload it at the platform that sells. I'm telling you, boom, you are going to make a lot of money. Please, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you choose any of these digital products and start putting it out there. I'll see you on my next video.